Hey, welcome to the ultimate open house experience. Okay, I've put this together to try to entice clients to sign up, to drive traffic at your website and nurture that traffic. Now, it starts with a QR code flyer. It's specifically designed for you. It's got your information on it, doesn't have anything about me. And the two most, or actually, really the three things that would drive someone to sign is if we've got your disclosure package, we will include that as a link in the campaign. So when they ask for the disclosure package, you tell them, go ahead and sign in and you'll receive it automatically. Additionally, they are entered into a free television giveaway. We do this once a month. As long as we got 15 entrants for that month, multiple agents use this. But if your walk-in wins, you're the one that presents the prize. In addition to that, if they work with you and me, they get a free appraisal. Those are the three incentives to get them to sign up using the QR code. Now, once they do, click on the QR code, it's going to launch a little mobile landing page. We're only going to ask for three pieces of information. That's going to be name, email, and phone number. And then it's going to kick off the campaign. Now, the campaign is co-branded with your information and my information. I will be calling them and I will be texting them and emailing them through my system, but you're going to get updates throughout the process. In addition to that, it's going to give them financing flyers. And there's two forms of that financing flyers. There's the PDF and there's an online version. If they click on the online version, it's a website specific to this property that goes over the finances of this property, but it includes a video of me discussing the property and you as a great agent. And then on Monday, when the open house is over, you're going to get a CVS of all the leads that came through this way. So it's a complete end to end. Now, the reality of this is they may not use the QR code. They may want to sign in the traditional way, and we have a solution for that also. But this sets you apart as a top agent, someone that's on her or his game at the open house. Thanks for watching. Hope you have some questions. Give me a call, book a strategy session. Thanks. Bye.